Smart searching.
This is an important election year, and I want to find some information out for a student who's living away from home and wants to vote. I'm going to use Google for this search. Knowing the right way to perform a web search can save you a lot of time and frustration and give you the results that you're really looking for.
The first thing I want to do is make sure I am asking the right question. I need to ask the question in such a way to get the results that I'm looking for. Student voting away from home. As I started to type this search, I got some recommendations for searches from Google. I like this first one, Help and Frequently Asked Questions, Long Distance Voter. I'm not familiar with the organization, but it is a .org website, so hopefully that would give me some useful information. Rock the Vote. I've heard of that one before. That's also an organization that helps students find out about voting. Next, I've got the Brennan Center for Justice, brennancenter.org. If I wasn't familiar with them, I could look them up. I have a number of different search results here that might give me the information I'm looking for. You can see I have over 65 million results. Clearly there's too many here for me to go through, so I need to refine my search so that I get the information that I want in the results within the first few pages. If I click on the Settings menu, you'll see I can do an advanced search. Here I have options with Google that allow me to restrict my search. One thing that I can do is use the second box, which says this exact word or phrase. So if I had two terms that I absolutely needed to have together, such as absentee ballot, I would put them here. But that's not exactly what I'm looking for in this search. You'll notice right now my search is in the box that says all of these words. That means my results must have all 5 of these words somewhere on the web page. But if I take these words and put them into the box that says any of these words, well, now I'm looking for web pages that have any of these 5 words. In fact, I went from 65 million to 25 billion. And you'll notice the first one has to do with SATs, and the second one is Home Depot. That doesn't have anything to do with what I'm looking for. You'll notice that Google has put the OR Boolean operator between the terms. Remember that using OR means that any of these words can appear in the search results. First, I'm going to take these words and put them back in the All These Words box. There are some useful features in this advanced search. I'm going to scroll down to Site or Domain. I would like to restrict my search to government websites, so I'm going to type .gov as the domain and then click Advanced Search. Now I have 139,000 results. It's still a lot, but it's better than millions or billions. I probably still want to refine this search a little bit more, so I'm going to modify this search to include my location. And now the very first result is the Student Voting Guide in Pennsylvania. If you don't find what you're looking for in the first 2 to 3 pages of your results, you probably need to refine or rephrase your search.